Sorry about that. But anyway, hey guys. Fish sticks. No, that is bad. Let me, please. Thank you. Will you let me get it? Bro. No. Whatever. So, anyways, this guy, I don't even know how to pronounce his name. New Marbrazillo. He's a cop and he's trying to pretty much get me, but we're not gonna let that. He already got me twice. But anyways, we're not gonna let that happen in this video. So anyway, okay, let's see if I can get anything. Nope. Cool. Wow. Great job. I think he actually left. Did he? No, he didn't. Cool. Good. Good or not. Hello? This is strange. Okay. What's up? Nothing. You? Just, wait, you recording? Yes I am. Let's go, okay. Let's go then. Times of pounds. Dang it, I didn't really, okay, let's just, come on. Right over here, okay. Okay, I guess. Eat that. And we're gonna have to spawn some guy real soon, so let's go ahead and spawn the frog. Dang it, I forgot I don't have a key card. That could be a problem. But, what? Cool. It's about time. Leo? Rob, what you doing? Get away from this vehicle right now. Please. Seriously, guys, why is everybody at my vehicle? I'm sorry. Get in. Okay, let's go. Stay away from me. Okay, over here. Nice car. Thanks. Okay, so let's go over to the gun shop really quickly. Grab ourselves some bullets. So this volume is so loud, it's crazy. We gotta turn this down a little bit. Dang it! How did I do that? Go ahead and get our stuff. And as you guys can see, I am saving up. I'm at like 7,000, 700 something thousand, something like that. Sure, why not? Jetpack. I don't have a problem with that. Let's go over to the jetpack really quickly and grab that. Yes, yes. Bank. Sure. Ew. Whoa! Whoa! There he is! Oh shoot, there he is! He's right there! Oh shoot! Come on, we're gonna Uber. We're gonna Uber today. Uber! Got him. No! No, I'm sorry. It's a challenge. We gotta oof each other. Okay? I'm sorry. It's just a challenge. Okay, let's just break the news. Should we? Nah, he'll figure it out. Nah, let's keep this a secret. Bro, who does he think he is? Oh, there's a guy. Oh shoot. Oh shoot, no! Oh dang. Hey, I'm out. I'm still out. Out. Everybody. No, no, I got arrested again. Bring me out, bring me out. Bring me out, bring me out, bring me out. Bring me. No! He got me, no! Oh shoot. But you guys gotta get on fast. What is Savage talking about? I think you guys all know who Savage is by now. Okay, let's come over here. That guy is really gonna make life difficult. Let's quickly get a key card from this person really quickly. Dang it, she's not cooperating. Good. Good job. Well, what do you mean, well? Well, oh shoot, I'm stuck. Get in. No. Guys, come on. Come on. Dude. No, all the from user. Oh shoot. What? How do you eject me? Oh, that takes some skill. Wow. And I was broken out of my handcuffs, of course. Whoa, whoa, buddy, 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 buddy. Come on, Leo, get in. Oh, I forgot I locked it. Oh, shoot. Leo, get in. Leo, get in. Where is Savage? Savage, my boy. Whoa, stay back. Where's Savage? Where are you guys? No. Okay, we lost our key card. Okay. Should we go back? Should we go back? Let's get weapons and help room. Yeah, that makes sense. First, let's go over here. Oh, dang it. I thought you had him. Oh, that's him right there, I think. Okay. We don't want to mess with him. Let's go over here. Okay. We will, trust me. We will. Just, give us a second. Give us a second to gear up. Okay. Okay. We will drop a rope. Okay, you guys need to be on the rope as ASAP. There's cops. What? Wait, what? I thought you just said leave. Now you're saying drop rope. And then here's the same guy. Here's the same cop. Come on, Savage. Get on. Savage. Boys. Neighbor. Get on, neighbor! Get on the dang road! Oh, no! Oh, shoot! Break me out! Break me out! Everybody get in! Get in, boys! Boys, get in! Neighbor, come on! Come on! Everybody get in! We got Savage! We got everybody! Let's go! We got the whole gang! Except for this guy, but he can ride. So we're not cowards. Bash Abel? What a weird name. I tried to save you, Papa. Don't rob anything. Just Trin? No way. I'm robbing, buddy. I don't care with these cops. Flip the dang cops. I don't care. Oh, shoot. No, we're not gonna get in time. We're not gonna get in time. There's no way. Why can't I jump? I can't. What the? Where? Wait, what? I'm still in the heli. Wait, what? I'm still in the... Help me. Help me. I'm invisible in the heli. Okay, I gotta reset, but that's okay. You know what? We can probably do this an easier way. We can probably spawn a car. Whoa, I'm literally invisible. Look, I'm right there. Okay, we gotta just quickly reset. Oh, what is wrong with jailbreak? What is wrong with jailbreak? Why can't you reset in jailbreak and not get sent to prison? I'm in prison. Jailbreak's being a real mean person right now. Why jailbreak? And I'm slow. What is wrong with jailbreak? I can't crawl. my character just glitched. We're gonna have to leave and rejoin, whatever. You know what? Before we leave, we're just gonna oof this guy really quickly. We're so slow. Ah! Oh shoot! He's right on me. What? Why can't I do it? It says I have a key card. Bye.